How to change the format of date and time in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. Use the shortcut key Window plus I to go to Setting. Now on the left hand side at the top you see the search option. Simply type date there and go to date and time settings. Here, to change the manual date, simply first turn off the option of set time zone automatically. Then after, from here you can choose any one of the time zone which you like. Now, in order to change the format of date, at the bottom you can see the option of show additional calendar in the taskbar. Simply choose any one of the layout and then you are good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.